Finding the most popular tile for showers can feel like navigating through a vast sea of options. From ceramic and porcelain to glass and natural stone, each type of tile offers a unique blend of aesthetics, durability, and maintenance requirements. Porcelain tiles are the most popular choice for showers, favored for their durability, water resistance, design versatility, and ease of maintenance. They offer a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution that meets the needs of modern homeowners. This comprehensive guide looks at the characteristics that make certain tiles more favored for shower environments. The reign of ceramic. The reign of ceramic tiles in the realm of shower spaces is a testament to their enduring appeal and versatility. Ceramic tiles have long been a staple in bathrooms due to their wide range of styles, colors, and patterns, which can complement any design aesthetic from traditional to contemporary. Their affordability makes them accessible to a broad spectrum of homeowners, ensuring that beautiful, durable shower designs aren't just a luxury for the few. Despite the emergence of new materials in the market, ceramic tiles continue to hold a significant place in bathroom designs. Their adaptability means they can mimic the appearance of more expensive materials like natural stone or hardwood, providing homeowners with cost-effective alternatives that don't compromise on style. Porcelain's durability and versatility. Porcelain tiles stand out in the world of bathroom design for their exceptional durability and versatility, making them a premier choice for shower areas. Crafted from a refined clay mixture, porcelain tiles are fired at higher temperatures than their ceramic counterparts. This process results in a tile that is not only denser, but also less porous, giving it superior water resistance, a critical factor for shower environments where moisture is prevalent. The durability of porcelain tiles is unmatched, making them resistant to scratches, chips, and wear from daily use. This resilience is particularly important in shower areas, which are subject to constant foot traffic, water exposure, and cleaning products. Porcelain's robust nature ensures that it can withstand these conditions over time, maintaining its appearance and integrity long after installation. The luxury of natural stone tiles in shower spaces transcends mere functionality, elevating the bathroom to a sanctuary of natural beauty and timeless elegance. These tiles, sourced from the earth and honed into various shapes and sizes, bring a piece of the natural world into the home, offering textures, patterns, and colors unmatched by any man-made material. Glass tiles, a touch of elegance. Glass tiles bring a touch of elegance and sophistication to any shower space, illuminating the area with their distinctive reflective properties and vibrant color options. This unique tile choice is celebrated for its ability to capture and scatter light, creating a luminous effect that enhances the overall ambiance of the bathroom. The aesthetic appeal of glass tiles lies in their depth and clarity, which can introduce a sense of spaciousness and lightness to even the smallest of bathrooms. Mosaic tiles for creative expressions. Mosaic tiles offer an unparalleled opportunity for creative expression in shower spaces, allowing homeowners and designers to craft unique, visually captivating environments. These small, often colorful tiles can be made from a variety of materials, including glass, ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone, providing a vast palette for artistic design. The rise of peel and stick tiles. The rise of peel and stick tiles in the realm of bathroom renovations represents a significant shift towards more accessible and user-friendly home improvement solutions. These tiles, celebrated for their ease of installation and wide array of design options, have become increasingly popular among homeowners looking for a quick, cost-effective way to update their shower spaces. Peel and stick tiles offer a convenient alternative to traditional tiling methods, eliminating the need for grout, mortar, or specialized tools. Just don't use them in wet areas like the shower. In the realm of bathroom renovations and designs, the question of the most popular tile for showers garners a lot of attention. Based on market insights and consumer preferences, it appears that porcelain tiles currently hold the crown for the most sought-after shower tile option. Porcelain tiles, the preferred choice. Porcelain tiles have surged in popularity for several reasons. They are renowned for their durability, low porosity, and versatile design options, making them an ideal choice for wet environments like showers. Consumer preferences lean towards porcelain. Market trends indicate a strong preference for porcelain tiles among homeowners and designers alike. This preference is driven by several factors: water resistance. Porcelain tiles boast a low absorption rate, making them virtually impervious to water damage. Design versatility. With advancements in manufacturing technologies, porcelain tiles can mimic the look and feel of natural stone, wood, and even concrete. Maintenance ease. Porcelain tiles are easier to clean and maintain compared to natural stone and other tile materials. Durability. The toughness of porcelain tiles makes them suitable for high-traffic areas. Cost-effectiveness. While porcelain tiles can be more expensive upfront than ceramic tiles, their longevity and low maintenance requirements offer value over time. In the quest for the most popular tile for showers, it's clear that personal preference, functionality, and design trends play significant roles. Whether you're drawn to the classic elegance of ceramic, the rugged beauty of natural stone, or the innovative appeal of peel-and-stick tiles, there's a perfect tile out there for every shower. By considering the factors outlined in this guide, homeowners can create a shower space that is not only practical and durable, but also a true reflection of their style.